So welcome to today's video. I will be cracking my mom's back today.
Hopefully I can still.
Okay guys, so the key to doing this is, number one, you have to find the pressure point. So when you go down like this with your two fingers, you find it right here. Because it's interlocked right here.
Oh, I have a chiropractor, folks.
So now, what you do, okay? Okay, ready? So you have to tell them to breathe in and breathe out.
Oh! Walang magawa kasi walang internet.
Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out.
I'm afraid.
It's because you're not on hardwood. Breathe in, breathe out.
Para lang,
Because she's not on hardwood.
para lang akong tinulak.
Ow. At the end of the video.
Okay, bye. Good night. Everybody. Hey. Hi. But I can't open the door though.
You're very pretty.
Isara mo yan. Naamoy niya yung inihaw na karni. Kaya pinasok kami dito
Whose
sa amin.
puppy is this?
Maybe the owner, of course. Halata na ng aso na may pagkain dito kasi naamoy niya.
I want a puppy like you.
Yeah, you said an ati before, you're like husky.
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
You're so fluffy.
Why did you even choose us to visit?
Yeah, he chose us. I saw him.
Hey, bud. Hi. Aww. You are so sweet. Aww. Walang internet.
I'm gonna
Oh,
take
buti
you
na lang
away.
pumunta ka dito kasi walang internet. Ito, yan na lang yung sagot. Sabi siguro
Look,
niya,
he's so welcome. Is this a female? Because look at the nipples.
I don't really know.
He's so well behaved.
Yeah.
Look at, he's so just
Friendly. Hey.
He doesn't have a color. What? Mommy?
Huh?
He doesn't have a color.
Hi.
Are you sure this is... This is... Cause it
Amoy
doesn't
aso
have a
naman, hindi
collar.
naman kwan. Loko ka. Sabi niya, nagdadalawang isip tuloy siya. Baka daw kwan ito. Hindi naman kwan.
It's so well behaved though.
Yeah,
Oh my. Is this a girl? Cause it's nipples.
it's probably their dog.
You don't need a collar.
Because it's not in the city.
Why are you... What, are you hungry? Can we give him food?
No. He'll keep coming back if you will. Oh, your rice. You give him rice. He might
See?
like rice.
He doesn't have a collar.
We're cooking rice for a road trip tomorrow because we don't
Why
have
don't you
rice.
follow us? Huh? Wait, what's on your mind, Laura? What's on your mind, bruh? What you doing?
Oh, sorry, buddy. Thanks for visiting. We're gonna go sleep now. We're gonna say night
He's
night. Oh,
reaching-
see, reaching your hand. That's so.
Yes,
That's so
what's up?
sweet. We're gonna sleep now. Okay. Have a good
Pa?
night.
Pa?
I'm gonna say night night.
he
Almost
okay?
11 at night.
She thinks you're giving him food, that's why.
Berlin. What's this? Sao Paulo. That's Costa Rica. 9 a.m. 9:10 a.m. here at the mountain time. And London. Oh, Costa Rica is the same time with us in the mountain time. Brussels. I like this. Tokyo. Tehran, Iran. How cute. This is John's kitchen. And they actually have a guest fridge. You have to label though. Uh-oh. About didn't label her food. Not all those who wander are lost. And I like the chairs.
Because I'm off tomorrow and
Daddy is warming up our grilled meat. Huh?
yeah.
Dishwasher pots, yes. Oh, thank you. Kitchen rolls.
You don't know why, but I don't mind.
Ready to make my rice.
You don't look at the menu on top.
The coffee in the cabin is Tim Horton and Folgers. Now it's time to check out. Did you download your movie? You're happy now? Happy gal. Yan, hindi na kami sasakay kasi pababa. It's going down the hill and our car is been, anong tawag dito? Sumasayad. Oh, sinong mag-i-English ng sumasayad?
Ganda naman yung sayad.
Huh? Ito oh. We need to wash our car. Sinulatan na ni Jasmine oh. Okay, we're going down the hill, Daddy. But I really like this saying. Let's go. Bye! See you soon! Oh, sumayad pa din! What the heck? Alright, bye! Bye, Grand Meadows Cabin! We have a good time! Para balon ko! Okay na rin kasi kailangan. Ayun, nagre-request ng McDonald's, kakakain lang niya.
No, I didn't eat.
Oh, kaya naman pala. Style na yan, hindi siya kakain kasama kami sa baon namin. Kasi she has a plan, she has to eat out food. Hindi yung naluto. Kahit sa bahay, ganun yan din. There's the train! We missed it! Asan na yung train? Ayun! Canada train! Diba? Yeah. Ayan ang train ng Ferromex Grupo Mexico. That's Union Pacific.
Yung maganda na nag-usap sa utang ko. Apat ang anak ko.
Yeah. Isumot. Yung isa, CMA, CGM. Works. Choo-choo train.
Sa isang punta ko na natin. Saan na tandaan ko ang pangalan? China. Kasi nilang sabi ko, parang price ng China.
Tarkanda.
Oh, Yangming.
Ada yung kunak sa kamay sa
Gas ulit dito.
awamuti sa kay nga tabang ko.
12:06 sa Minnesota, 11:06
Ay,
dito.
pagpagnaan niya ata bala yan. Yan eh.
Naka-download siya ng movie niya.
Hindi ko nagdaro.